Welcome to Anatomy and Physiology Revealed. Before you begin using this program, it's important to understand how the information is presented. This short tour will help you get started. The program is organized by modules, similar to chapters in a book. Within each module, you'll find several study areas: dissection, animations, histology, imaging, and quiz. Some of the modules may not contain all 5 of these areas. Let's begin by selecting dissection. To view the content within a study area, you first need to select a topic and view. Topics are often a region of the body, such as head and neck. Within this region, there are a couple of views to pick from: anterior and lateral. Selecting either view will show a corresponding image and the list of structures you can find there. Simply click any structure name and the structure will highlight on the image. You will find that the other study areas work similar to the dissection example we just went through. It's a good idea to watch the remaining help videos so you feel comfortable navigating the program. You can watch the tours at any time by clicking the Help button. Enjoy using Anatomy and Physiology Revealed.